Ndipo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji nilo nono wakwe zonu.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndebanye, Anamekelo. I'm with ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Maz. Chakon, aka the Photo Cosmetic Surgeon, and welcome to another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So you already know why we do this. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're going to give them back the identity that was stolen from them, starting with their names. So shout out to Felicia. That's right, give it up to Felicia. Shout out to Felicia for sending in her request for the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So I asked Felicia to describe herself, and she gave me a lot of traits, a lot of qualities, a lot of things that she wanted to do. One of the things that she said was she wanted to get back to her community, open an after-school program and a summer camp for like art and activities and things like that. So I'm gonna give her the name Gesando. Come on, say that with me. Gesando. Good. Okay, so Gesando. I'm gonna translate that name for you. So Gesa, Ikesa means like to spread out. Basically to spread. And Indo means life. So Gesando together means spread life, spread happiness, spread goodness to everyone. Basically, that's basically what it means. Gesando. So I gave her this name because she said she wants to give back to her community and basically spread love and spread, her gifts and her talents and her compassion for other people. So, Gesando. Let me know what you think. Is that a fitting name for her? Did I get the translation right? Let me know in the comment section below. So, like this video, share with all the Gesandos that you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button so that you can get a notification anytime I make a new video. Gesandos names basically, like I said, give them the power to be very philanthropic and just kind to others. So if you want your very own Igbo name, please hit my DM on